Good morning, family. What's going on? This is the underrated one, the grinder. Um, support my channel, the Underrated Darkness. Let's get them likes and the views up. Share this video throughout social media, on my past live stream, and our videos. Let's get them likes up. Very much appreciated. If it's still dark, cause it's kind of cloudy in Virginia, but I can't wait for this fight to happen tomorrow. I really is. Because I want Deontay Wilder to destroy this gypsy fool. And I know there are some people who do not want to talk about this, but I'm gonna really tell this, especially to our people in this country. Deontay Wilder has stand up for us, and especially LDBC stands for Lions Den Boxing Community. We gotta stand up strong as ever, because this America sports media is going after Wilder. They're not giving him no respect. They let this racial overtone that Fury is saying, is doing, and we gotta talk more about that. And it's wrong. As a black man in this country, as our ancestors had fight of little liberties and free that we got, that's what we fight for, to have that, so we can have that, so we can enjoy the little abundance that we have right now as a people. Now, the rest of the Americans that feel what I feel, you want to jump on that, be my guest. But if you do, be genuine with the shit. But get back to my point here, is this, that there's a lot at stake. Get this out the way. Hold on, fam, get this out the way. Okay. There's a lot at stake, especially in the heavyweight division. And the mindset that I'm in right now, I was in famous athletics, and I just left for Bush Guard 1029. Go and, when y'all get my voice, go and support the brother. He's doing a live right now, making some excellent points. Bush Guard 1029. I want y'all to check him out. He's on it right now. And while I'm walking, on my way to 7-Eleven, get my French vanilla, stuff like that. Deontay Wilder has been there for us. What a strong black man that we want to see, that's Deontay Wilder. And we have to tap into that masculinity that he is selling, because this America, and plus the global media, they don't want our masculinity to be strong. They want us to be in the corner, to be as gay, faggots. They want us to shut our mouths. Nah, I ain't shutting my mouth. Like I said, the one and only, the underrated one, the grinder, always gonna speak up for what's right. And that's what we gotta do today. For now on, to the fight, let's bang on their heads. Let's bang on their racist heads. And let it be known, the Bronx Bomber is our champion. You're not gonna mess with him. And we gotta say this all day. The Bronx Bomber is our people's champion. You're not gonna mess with them. You come after him, you gotta come after us. And then your racist in the corner Captain Crunch, fake asses. Y'all wanna make believe you love Wilder, but y'all really don't. They're stabbing you in the back, coming after you too. I know sometimes there's some people do not want to deal with political and sports, but this is happening. Fury started it, and we got to finish it. So, what we must have to do, LDBC family, we gotta bang on their heads so much that they don't have no head, they just got a neck, and we wobble their ass out of here. That's what we gotta do. We have to understand the times that we in. As a people, and had this world had offered us, and the world has not been kindly to us as African descent. And it does connect to the fight tomorrow, Wilder against Fury. Again, shout out to the LDBC, stands for Lions Den Boxing Community. Today, LDBC and the rest of the true boxing fans, let's rain on the racist necks, they heads. Let's rip them off and tell them no more. The media that turn their head on Wilder, let's rain on them too. Let's bring them fools out from the corner so they can see for what they is. And what they is, they are a piece of garbage. And especially the ones that look like us. See, I'm originally from New York, been in VA for 6 years, but this is my thing. I'm coming for that neck, or I'm coming for that head. We not playing. LDBC, we gonna stay strong. No matter what, we gonna stay strong. Us as a people, we gonna stay strong. Wilder and Fury. Oh God, I can't wait. Wilder's gonna be the executioner, and Fury is gonna be a little gypsy boy sleeping on the campus. That's how I see it. I know that's how we see it. Alright, family, I'm like close to the destination of 7-Eleven. I'm gonna get this coffee, get these points up, and everything. Again, shout out to the LDBC Lions Den Boxing Community. Everybody that represents the men and women, always stay strong. Always remember the underrated one, the grinder. Always grinding. Always. Alright? Be safe out there. Wilder, our executioner. Fury. Time is up. Ghost.